Hello everyone, today we are going to start Organic Chemistry, Lecture 1. So our first part is, what is hydrocarbon? It is quite simple. A hydrocarbon is a compound that contains hydrogen and carbon only. So let's repeat, a hydrocarbon is a compound. Make sure it's a compound that contains hydrogen and carbon only. Um, This one is one of the most repeated question in IGCSE. What is hydrocarbon? So the answer is same as usual according to the mark scheme. A hydrocarbon is a compound that contains hydrogen and carbon only. Now the next thing is the chain of hydrocarbon. So before starting the chain of hydrocarbon, I know many of the students cannot remember the chain met, at, top, but, pan. Um, Me as a student, I also forget sometimes. So what I do is I follow two tricks. One is many eat peanut butter pancake. Many eat peanut butter pancake. So just see closer. Many methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. And the next sentence is heat had on November and December. By the way, do not do it seriously. So heat, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. So you can see it is pretty simple. Now we are going to write them down. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, and C10. First one is methane, C2, ethane, C3, propane, C4, butane, C5, pentane, C6, hexane, C7, heptane, C8, octane, C9, nonane, and C10, decane. So let's review everything once again. What is hydrocarbon? So a hydrocarbon is a compound that contain hydrogen and carbon only. I'm repeating it once again that what is hydrocarbon? It is one of the most repeated question in IGCSE, and the answer is always fixed as usual according to the mark scheme. A compound that contain hydrogen and carbon only. Next is chain of hydrocarbon. So we find out two sentences to remember that. That one is many eat peanut butter pancake. So M for methane, eat, E for ethane, P for propane, B for butane, pancake, P for pentane, heat for hexane, head for heptane, on for octane, November, nonen, December, decan. So many eat peanut butter pancake and heat on November and December. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to draw all of them. So let's begin. First of all, C1, methane. Well, so it is only one carbon. It is only one carbon bonded with four hydrogen. The second one is ethane. That is two carbon bonded with six hydrogen. The next one is propane. That is three carbon and all hydrogens. Then that is butane, which has four carbon and make sure to relate one thing, that is I write down C1, which one is methane, that means only one carbon. C2, that means there is only two carbon. C3, that means there is only three carbon. Then we have pentane, that one is C5, so five carbon. And all hydrogen bonds. Then there is C6, which is hexane, so six carbon. Those are so interesting as well as boring as at the same time, because writing down carbon chains again and again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. So C6, this one is hexane. Then there is heptane, carbon 7. So carbon 7. And hydrogens. I'm not showing the hydrogens because it will take much time. I hope you can add hydrogens with them. Then we have octane. Well, I'm not showing C9, nonane, and C10 decane because shortage of space. So I hope you can draw it out. So let us recall everything once again. C1 methane, C2 ethane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane. So these are everything for lecture 1. We are going to meet once again at lecture 2. So till then, goodbye.